welcome back. I'm Carla if you're new, and for today's video I have another DHGate haul video. I discovered DHGate about a month and a half ago, and I have two other DHGate hauls on my channel. I'll leave them linked down below for you guys. But ever since, I was definitely shooked, okay? Like, most of the items that I purchased were definitely a hit. So I wanted to continue purchasing more items to show you guys affordable option dupes for, you know, very popular handbags and designer items. And of course, a disclaimer, if you are against the purchase of replicas or things like that, then this is not the video for you. But if you want to look bougie on a budget, if you want to save some money, then I have a few things to show you. So right before I show you guys the items that I purchased from DHGate, I just received a package in the mail, and I thought it would be perfect to incorporate in today's video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, you've definitely seen this brand before. You guys know I love DOSSIER. But if you guys are new and you clicked on this video, that means you guys like designer dupes, and this brand right here is literally the definition of that. So these right here are perfumes by the brand DOSSIER. If you have not heard about the brand DOSSIER before, they are an online perfume shop where they sell a variety of high-end inspired perfumes for a fraction of the price. So they did send me a few to test out for you guys. We're gonna open them super quick. I'm gonna smell them and give you guys all of the details. So when you open it up, it does come with your full-size perfume with the list of ingredients, and it also comes with this little baby side tester. Now, I did receive an email saying that they will discontinue sending this little testers out because they are trying to become more eco-friendly, and I totally love that. Now, this right here was the tester that they allowed you to test out for a few days, and if you didn't like the perfume, you would just send it back to them and they will give you a full refund. But since they are stopping the little testers, now they're actually letting you test the actual bottle. So basically, when you receive your package, you can test it out as many times as you would like to, and if you are not pleased with it, if you just don't like it, all you have to do is send them back the perfume with the box, and they will give you a full refund, no questions asked. So the first one I got to test out is Floriento Brown Sugar, and this one is inspired by YSL Mon Paris. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So we're gonna spray them out, and I'm a little bit scared just because I do have a few perfumes to spray out, so I already know the scents are gonna get to me. Oh my god, this smells so good. Okay, for the record, you guys, I'm into sweet perfumes, okay? And I do want to make that very clear because, for example, my mom hates any kind of sweet perfumes and I love them. This right here is so freaking sweet, like it's super sweet, but I absolutely love it. All of DOSSIER's perfumes are 1.7 fluid ounces, and they do start at $29, and they do promotions where the more you buy, the more you save. I also do have a coupon code with them. It is not affiliated, meaning I'm not getting any kind of payment from it. It's just to save you guys even more money. So if you're interested, I'll leave it somewhere on the screen and also in the description down below. Next, I have Floriento Almond, and this one right here is inspired by Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. Now, this perfume right here is definitely up my mom's alley, so I already know this one is not entirely sweet. It's probably not even sweet at all. And now I'm just going to smell like a whole bunch of perfumes, and I'm not ready. Okay. They spray so good too. It totally looks like I'm smelling my armpits right now. So this one right here definitely reminds me of like a grown-up perfume, and I hate to say it like that. I call a grown-up perfume to any kind of perfumes that are basically not sweet at all. It smells super good and super yummy, but it's not sweet at all, so it's not necessarily something that I will opt for on a day-to-day. But let me tell you one thing though, this right here will be such a perfect Mother's Day gift. So if you're struggling, if you still haven't gotten anything for your mommy yet, this right here is amazing. And now we have J'adore Dior, and this one right here is called Fruity Jasmine, and ooh, okay, I'm excited about this one because it has the name Fruity on the label, so it better be fruity. Me estoy mareando. Like, you guys know when you smell so many scents and you just start getting lightheaded? That's literally how I feel right now. So we're gonna spray this one right here. Okay, this one right here, this, ooh, this one right here, it's where it's at, okay? So listen, I would forever be faithful to my Versace Bright Crystal, and the one that I own actually is from DOSSIER as well. But this one right here, I mean, Bright Crystals will forever be my favorite, okay? I'm pretty sure. But this one smells so freaking good. So this right here is literally the perfect in-between. So it has a little bit of sweetness to it, but it's not super sweet like this one, the first one that I showed you guys. So if you're into super sweet perfumes, definitely the first one. If sweet is not your thing, do not worry, Carolina Herrera's got you. And if you like a perfect in-between, this one right here, this smells so good. Out of the 3 I got, this one right here is definitely my favorite. I'll make sure I'll leave all of their information, all of the links to the items, everything in the description down below, as well as the coupon code in case you guys would like to save even more money. So the first thing I got is this baby right here. One thing you guys are gonna notice about my DHGate hauls is I go for items that I know I wouldn't necessarily purchase in real life as much as I want them. And by that, let me explain to you guys, I am very girly. My clothing is very pastel and things like that. So when I go on DHGate, I purchase items that I know that I like so much, but I wouldn't get my money's worth off if I were to purchase the real thing. So this right here is definitely one of those items. This is the famous Prada, I think it's called Prada Re-Edition Nylon bag. The minute I saw it, let me tell you, I was like, oh, like I really need this bag. And then, you know, I went to Prada.com, or in my case, Prada.de, and then I saw how many euros that was, and I was like, okay, like, no. Especially because, like I told you guys, that's gonna be a bag that I wear a handful of times and not like every single day. And not because I don't think this is an everyday bag. This would be perfect for an everyday bag. It just does not go with my style. So anyways, I was looking and looking and looking through DHGate, and I was trying to find one that was affordable, but at the same time it looked good. And I came across this baby right here, and this was under $40. I think it was like $38 or $39. The real thing, it's like, I think it's like 11.90 euros. I don't know how many dollars, but it's a lot of money. So this for 39 or 38, I was like, okay, let me just try it. I haven't opened the actual thing. It's like sealed right here. I did take it out of the actual like boxing packaging, and she did an amazing job bubble wrapping everything. Okay, so inside the bag, she did send, and I know it's a she because I actually messaged the seller. I don't know, I don't necessarily know what this is, but it's just a bunch of receipts. It's basically like a receipt, like she's sending you, okay, so she's sending you an actual receipt with the amount that I guess the purse would be, like $12.80, but it says, I don't know what kind of currency this is, but she's sending you a receipt essentially for the bag. And here's the bag, so she even further protected it, so it is inside another bag. And open it up. And it's inside another bag yet again, and this is shipping here. Okay, let me open it up. I mean, well, it's open, but let me, so this is not the actual bag, so this is the actual bag, okay, but it does come with like straps and all of that jazz. This looks really good. The material feels really good. The shape of it is also really good, and the sizing, I think it's pretty spot on, like all together. Is that crooked? Are you crooked? Oh my god. Okay, wait, maybe it's just the stuff. Maybe it's the stuffing. It's gotta be the stuffing. It's not crooked. It's not crooked. It's not crooked. It's the stuffing. If you guys have not came across my YSL crossbody video, the bag was stunning. Like everything was spot on. Like every single detail was spot on, but the logo was a little bit off center. Like I called it crooked, but it was just like off center. And I actually told you guys I was gonna repurchase that bag, which I did, but I still haven't received it. So once I do, then we're gonna go over them again. This is definitely crooked. Why? Like, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué todo a mí? It makes no sense. Like, I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to tell. Like, do you see it? Like, it's centered, but do you see this right here? Like, it's kind of like tilted like this. Y'all see it, right? It can't just be me. I'm picky. I'm a picky person, and I'm definitely that kind of person that like always looks really deep into details, and especially if I'm gonna buy like a designer replica, I don't want it to be one of those things that you can write on, like spot on, that it's fake. And this is so freaking amazing. Like the quality, the shape, all of it. And it's crooked. Like, why? Oh, good. Look, I'm a really good freaking human being, and I don't know why these things keep happening to me. All right, let's... And this is why I don't like doing unboxing, okay? Because this is just gonna be like a bratty video, like Carla being bratty for 10 minutes. But like, why? You don't understand. All of the reviews, like I do not purchase from sellers that do not have like outstanding, like 5-star and like a million reviews type of thing. Maybe not like a million. But I always wait and I like search, and then they fuck me over. Like, I don't understand. But anyways, so the little... my ribs are ready. I'll be back. So let's talk about the strap, because I like the strap. At least I like something, right? I really like the fact that it's very, like I saw some people were saying on other reviews, which is why I didn't go for the other ones, that the Prada logo was kind of like a sticker, and this one is actually embroidered. I think that's how you pronounce it, like embroidered. So this strap right here definitely looks legit. Like, it looks like the real deal. It comes with this little change right here that you're supposed to, if you want to, obviously put right here. So we're gonna assemble it anyways. And then it comes with this little like coin pouch that basically just goes hanging off of the strap. And of course this crooked too. I can't with my look, y'all. Like, I'm trying to keep it together, you know, but I'm not together right now. Y'all see this? Like, do you see this right here? This one is actually centered, it's not crooked, but it's all the way over here instead of here. Now, Carla, are you being such a brat? Why are you being so picky? Well, because everybody gets their items looking good and then they screw me over all the time and I just don't understand. Like, I'm a really good person, okay? Like, why does this keep happening to me? It just makes no sense. So everything else she nailed, okay? Like, she nailed the little Prada right here on the hardware, like over here, on the strap, like even like this thingy right here, like she nailed it. Everything looks so good, the shape, the form. But why is it crooked? Why? Fine, everything is fine. Everything is fine, everything is fine, everything is fine. Because life be doing me. And not even in a good way, okay? Life be doing me dirty. I'm not over it, okay? I am far from over it. But let me show you the bag though, like all together, because it is really cute. And this right here really does look so legit. Like, all of it, it looks really good. Like I said, the size of it, like, it's not too small, it's not too big. I feel like a lot of times they get the sizing of the handbag really wrong. The hardware looks super good, like the little pouch, the size, the straps really do impress me. But the logos are crooked, and why am I even surprised? Like, you know, it always happens to me. Like, it always happens to me. It's just disappointing, you know, because I want to show you guys dupes. And this is definitely a dupe, you know, if she were to get it right, but she got it wrong. And for the record, this is not the same seller as the YSL seller, if that makes sense. Like, the YSL also sent me a crooked handbag, like the logo, but this was a different seller. And this one right here is another seller with outstanding reviews, amazing communication. She even sent me photos of this handbag right here, but her photos were not crooked, otherwise I wouldn't have bought it, you know? So does it look horrendous? It doesn't. It looks... I don't know, like, I'm looking at the camera, and in the camera, like, as I have it on, I don't think it looks that crooked, like that off center, because this one right here is off center and then this one right here is center, but it's tilted, so it's a little bit more like this. So do I recommend this bag? I don't know, y'all. Like, I don't know. I think it looks good. Like I said, I think it looks good. I don't think it looks like too bad. Sorry, I am wearing sweatpants. So once you have it on, I don't think it looks bad. Like, I actually think it looks like pretty good. Like, I don't know, y'all. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it because, like I said, I think it looks good, and it's definitely one of those things that, because of the sizing and the material, like, I think it looks really nice. So we're gonna keep this one, but I really do wish the logo wasn't off center, but it's fine. And I also bought a pair of Gucci sunglasses. I actually do own, or I used to own, I actually got rid of them, like authentic sunglasses. Sunglasses from Gucci are one of those things, and maybe like other designers too, but in my case, for example, I am from Florida, and there's a Gucci outlet very near my house, and they always have these sunglasses very, very affordable. Like, I've got a pair for like $80, $100. So obviously, for a pair of sunglasses, you may not think that's affordable, but for a pair of designer sunglasses, it's really not that bad. So when it comes to sunglasses, I don't necessarily think, you know, replica, because I feel like you can get a really good deal on designer sunglasses. But this baby right here was $10. Like, that's it. I think it was like 9 something, and the store did have like a $2 off coupon. This did not come with the Gucci, you know, case, and the Gucci case is actually really nice. It's like this really nice velvet material. It doesn't really matter to me, like, it doesn't come with like a case for $9. I'm not gonna complain. It did come really protective, like in the actual packaging. So this is how these look, and I'll give you guys a close-up and all. It has a little Gucci piece on the side, and then it does say very, very tiny GG on the little sides right here. Now this part right here does not look legit. I don't know, it just it doesn't look right, okay? It's one of those glasses that from here is gonna look super good, but if you actually get to catch the GG sign, I don't think it looks good at all. But in my case, my hair will definitely cover it, so I don't necessarily mind it. I don't know, is it a vibe? Do we like it? Do we like it? I like it. I think it looks good. I actually really do think it looks good. Not like there's sun where I live in Germany, and I haven't seen the sun in like 5 months, but if and when I go to Florida, then this is definitely going to look super good. So the sunglasses, definitely an 8 out of 10. I think they do what they're supposed to. They look good. I don't think they're bad at all. The bag, I don't know, y'all. Like, I mean, overall, I think it looks super good. The quality, the size, the material, all of that is spot on. But why can't they get the freaking logo right? So definitely let me know if you guys would like me to continue doing these videos, because let me tell you right now, I don't know that I am, okay? Because at this point, I'm like I said, I just kept getting screwed. And I'm purchasing from really good sellers. Like, I'm not like I told you guys, I always purchase from these sellers that have like outstanding reviews. So I'm not sure why is it that every time they send me something, that's when they mess up. But let me know, and if you guys would like me to continue, you know, getting screwed, I'll continue to buy from DHGate. But at this very moment, like I said, I'm like, I am still waiting on 2 other DHGate items. Like I said, the YSL bag, I did repurchase it, and I purchased another Christian Dior bracelet. So once those arrive, I'll definitely update you guys and do a new video on that one. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. While you're at it, you might as well hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.